How to make money online using AI in 2026. Have you ever wondered if AI can help you make money online? Maybe you have seen people talking about ChatGPT, AI video tools, AI design, and other AI apps. But here is the truth. AI itself does not magically give you money. You make money by using AI to solve problems for other people. In this video, I will show you several simple ways beginners can use AI to build online income in 2026. You don't need to be a programmer. You can start by learning one useful skill. Let's begin. Number 1. AI content writing. The first way is AI-assisted writing. Businesses and creators need content every day. You can use AI to help create YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, email drafts. But don't simply copy and paste what AI gives you. Read it. Correct mistakes. Add your own ideas. Check facts. Make it sound natural. Your client is paying for the final result, not just for you to press a button. You can offer this service on freelance platforms or directly to businesses. Number 2. AI YouTube services. The second method is helping YouTubers. Many creators need help with video ideas, titles, descriptions, scripts, shorts ideas, thumbnail concepts. You can use AI to speed up your research and brainstorming. For example, a YouTuber may give you a topic. You can create several video ideas and turn the best idea into a clear script. You can then offer the complete service as a package. The more useful your work is, the more valuable your service becomes. Number 3. AI thumbnails and design. The third method is AI-assisted graphic design. AI image tools can help you create ideas for YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, marketing images, product visuals. But remember, the goal is not simply to generate an image. You need to understand design. You need good text, good composition, clear messaging, and a thumbnail that makes sense for the video. Learn how to combine AI with tools like Canva or other editing software. Then create a portfolio. Number 4. AI video creation. Another opportunity is AI-assisted video creation. AI tools can help with script ideas, voice generation, captions, video editing, backgrounds, images, and other production tasks. You can use these tools to create content for your own YouTube channel. You can also offer video creation services to businesses and creators. But don't create hundreds of low-quality videos just because AI makes production faster. Quality matters, original ideas matter, and your content should provide real value. Number 5. AI social media services. Many businesses want to post regularly but don't know what to post. You can help them. Use AI to generate content ideas. Create captions. Build weekly content plans. Write short video scripts. Then edit and organize everything before sending it to the client. For example, you could offer, I will create 30 social media content ideas for your business, or I will create a 30-day social media content plan. Start small, build experience, then increase your prices as your results improve. Number 6. Sell AI-assisted digital products. You can also create digital products with the help of AI. Examples include ebooks, templates, checklists, study guides, prompt collections, content calendars, business templates. I can help you research, organize, and draft the material. But don't sell low-quality AI-generated information. Review everything. Add your own knowledge. Make the product useful. People don't pay because AI created something. They pay because the product solves a problem. Number 7. AI affiliate marketing. Another method is affiliate marketing. Many AI companies have affiliate programs. You can create content explaining useful AI tools. For example, 5 AI tools that can save you hours every week. You explain what each tool does. If a company offers an affiliate program and you qualify, you can use your affiliate link. If someone makes a qualifying purchase through your link, you may earn a commission. Always follow the affiliate program's rules and clearly disclose affiliate relationships when required. Number 8. AI research services. Businesses need information. You can use AI to help organize research. For example, competitor research, content research, market research, product research, topic research. But don't trust AI blindly. AI can make mistakes. Check important information using reliable sources. Your value comes from giving the client useful and accurate results. Number 9. Create an AI-powered YouTube channel. You can also use AI to make your own content creation process faster. For example, AI can help you brainstorm topics, create a first script draft, generate title ideas, help organize your video, create captions, and speed up editing. But your channel should still have a human touch. Add your own ideas, your own opinions, your own explanations, and your own storytelling. Don't simply mass-produce repetitive videos. That can make your channel boring and may create monetization problems if the content does not meet YouTube's policies. Number 10. Build a small AI service business. This is where everything comes together. Instead of selling one small service, you can create an AI-assisted service business. For example, YouTube content service. You could offer 10 video ideas, 10 SEO titles, 10 descriptions, 10 shorts ideas, and several scripts. You use AI to help with the workflow, but you provide the human editing, research, quality control, and strategy. That's how you turn AI from a simple tool into a business opportunity. How to start with zero experience. If you are a beginner, don't try all 10 methods. Choose one. For example, YouTube scripts. Spend 1 week learning. Spend another week practicing. Create 5 examples. Put them in a simple portfolio. Then start looking for clients. Your first goal shouldn't be $1,000. Your first goal can be, get your first $10, then $50, then $100, then keep growing. What you should not do, don't believe people who promise. Use this AI app and make $1,000 every day automatically. Be careful. AI is a tool. It does not guarantee income. Also, don't use AI to create spam, fake reviews, copied content, or misleading information. Build a real business. Solve real problems. Give people real value. Final message. AI is changing the way people work. You don't need to become an AI expert overnight. Start by learning one tool, then learn one skill. Then use that skill to solve a problem. That's where the money can come from. Remember, AI does not replace effort. I can multiply useful effort. So don't ask, which AI app will make me rich? Ask, how can I use AI to help someone solve a problem? That is a much better question. Outro. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about AI YouTube and making money online. Comment AI below if you want part 2, where I can show you how to start an AI online service step by step as a complete beginner. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.